Okay, another video for Nifty Thrifty Girl today is yet another 201. This is 2012, which features the potted motor on the back. That means no belt to change. It is gear driven, means less slipping. And of course, the hassle of changing belt is no longer there. Now, cosmetically, this is not the best. Let me move this piece of fabric. It's not the best, but I've seen far worse. It's about, I'd give it about a 7 on a 1 to 10 scale. It does have some bumps and dings along the front edge of the deck there, and of course these will show up better in the photos. As far as the decals go, they're fairly nice. It has a couple spots where there's a little bit of wear, but not a lot. This is a machine that you could use as a working machine without feeling guilty for messing it up. But it's nice enough to sit as a display. It's not collector's condition, but it's not trashed either. And like I said, it's about a 7. But of course, it has the typical 201 work ethic. You fit it under the foot, you can sew it. It uses the Class 66 drop-in bobbins, of course. And I'm sorry my video is a little blurry, but I don't have a focus that'll focus while I'm shooting, so I kind of have to adjust as I go. It includes the original manual, a pack of needles that I couldn't get in the box, and the original box of goodies. And those will be pictured in the photos a little better. I'm going to show you a little bit of what it'll do. Of course, if you're looking for a 201, you probably already know what a 201 will do. And it's pretty serious when, I say you put it under the foot, it can be sewn. It's pretty true. It is a true reverse feed machine, meaning that it's not just, you don't just use reverse for tacking, it will sew in reverse. And we'll do that here in a second. Okay, it's arguing with me. It wasn't arguing with me a minute ago. Aha, it's wrapped around that, that's why. Would explain it. Alright, let's start again. Sorry about that, my thread was wrapped around the thumb screw. Kind of affects the way it works. Make sure we're good to go here. Yep, alright. Forward. Reverse. Forward. As you can see, it's seamless and effortless. Reverse. Forward. Reverse. Forward. Very nice, smooth running machine. Just service ready to go. As you can see, it works just fine on the tabletop, or you can put it in a cabinet or a carrying case. Nice stitches both forward and backwards. Forward, reverse. You do also get the fabric samples. Let's do some denim. 5 layers of denim. No problem with the forward and reverse change on 5 layers of real denim. Beautiful stitch. This is some felt, craft felt. Just trying to do some various things here, because you never know what you have to work on. Forwards and reverse on the felt. According to the manual, this machine will use up to a size 21 needle. Bobbins and needles can be bought at any Walmart. It's anywhere as easy as Walmart. I'm including a few vintage bobbins because, in my opinion, well, it's not an opinion, it's the truth. If you buy the new metal bobbins at Walmart, they have a protruding center ring and they might bind up your bobbin case. So want to stick with plastic or vintage metal bobbins if you can. This is 2 layers of tumbled leather. It's got the little texture to it. You can do both forwards and reverse. On 2 layers of garment leather, very nice. Last but not least, 8 layers of upholstery cotton. Effortless change on 8 layers of cotton. Pretty amazing machine. I love the 201s and the 1591s with the potted motors. Beautiful, beautiful stitch. And that is a Singer Model 201-2 with a potted motor, nice working machine, or a nice display.